everyone! Today we're talking about volume of similar figures. We actually have learned about volume of similar figures before, so this will be a bit of review. In order to find the volume of similar figures, you have to remember that ratio of volumes is equal to scale factor cubed. And when you're doing ratio of volumes, you always do new volume over original volume. And that gives you the ratio of volumes. So the ratio of volume is new volume over original volume. All right, so we can use this to find the volume of similar figures. Let's look at this first example. A triangular prism has a volume of 432 yards cubed. If the dimensions of the prism are reduced by 1/3, what is the volume of the new prism? Okay, the dimensions of the prism are reduced by 1/3. This is scale factor. So your scale factor here is 1/3. Okay. Ratio of volumes is new volume over original volume. I don't know the new volume, that's what I'm looking for, so I make that x. The original volume is 432. And then you make that equal to the scale factor cubed. And the scale factor is 1/3. So the proportion I write is x over 432 equals 1/3 cubed. Next, I'm going to cube 1/3. 1 cubed would be 1 times 1 times 1, which equals 1. 3 cubed would be 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. So now I have x over 432 equals 1 over 27. To solve this, I'm going to cross multiply. And when you cross multiply, you find out that x is 16. So that means the new volume is going to be 16. So if you reduced all of the dimensions by 1/3, your volume would go down from 432 to 16. Let's look at another example. This second example says, a rectangular prism has a volume of 40 inches cubed. If its dimensions are doubled, what would be the volume of the new prism? So I don't know the volume of the new, so I make that x. The volume of the original prism is 40, and that's going to equal scale factor cubed. Now, scale factor is what I did to the dimensions. So the dimensions are doubled. Doubled means times 2. So my scale factor is 2, which is the same as 2 over 1. That's my scale factor. So x over 40 is going to equal 2 over 1 cubed. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cube that. So 2 cubed would be 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 1 cubed, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So now I have x over 40 equals 8 over 1. Now I cross multiply, and I get x equals 320. So if I doubled the dimensions, the new volume would be 320 inches cubed, but we're just going to use 320 on tonight's homework. We're not going to include units. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is actually the last video we're going to have for this entire quarter. Tomorrow you'll have a homework assignment, but you won't have a video to watch. And next week we're going to do a little bit of a different assignment, sort of a project, so there won't be any videos next week either. Have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed all of my videos. See you next year.